Hello guys, welcome back. A ton of things, but for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Uber driver navigation GPS error. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if you're having issues with Uber driver here and you're getting that GPS error, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you are using the latest version of the app. So it is recommended that you update the Uber driver app first before doing anything else. Now, in this case, if updating the app does not work for you, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to reset a few things. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go ahead and open up your settings here. Now, if you do have the option to turn off your GPS, you can go and just turn it off. In this case, you may be able to see it in here, but if not, you may need to go ahead and go to your settings or access your settings. Now, to be speaking, you just go ahead, open up your settings here, just go to search settings and just type in GPS. Now from here, you should see location. Just turn off location here. And from here on, you can go and click on close. And just wait for a few seconds and turn it back on and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to change your settings here for Uber. So in this case, you want to go and just press and hold on it. Click on the eye icon that appears in here. And from here, you want to go and just click on the option here for app permissions. And we want to go ahead and just select location and just turn off location here, like just specify don't allow. And from then on, just wait for a few seconds, then access location again and just provide the necessary permission again and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually worked, the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to go ahead and basically click on the eye icon again, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache and okay. And from then on, go ahead and open up Uber driver here and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.